Today I will show to you a simple menu regarding assembly language chapter 4 and 6. First one we will use Irvine 32 library, and then you can see here we declare the byte of case study starting from 0 until 9. In this code it is limit only for 9 case study. Next, from line 17 to line 27 is where we declare all the data needed. We name all our procedure from all our class from byte 0 until byte 9. Next is the main procedure where the main menu will be shown at the console. Here is the code call write string where the menu choice will be shown, and then the loop 1 is where it's verify the selection. It is within 0 until 9. If above 8, it will go back to L1. Okay, next is the choose procedure. Here the write string will display the message that you choose, and then after the message being displayed, it will jump back to the menu, display the menu again, and then quit. So this is the step for the procedure. Select a procedure from case table, receive number of procedure, and then return. It will consider if the mesh found. It will call the procedure and jump to L3, which is will pop the ECX value and also pop the EBX value. Okay, RET here is written back to the main menu. So we will go through case one by one. The first one is move ZX, which is under the chapter 4 subtopic data transfer instruction. Here we can see 0A69B is moved to BX value, and then move ZX 0, move 0, EAX and EBX. So the final value of EAX is 0000A69BH. It will add 0000 at in front. So let's debug it. It will show the value of EAX, EBX, ECX, all the register at the console. So here the console show the main menu, case 0 until 9. So we choose 0. There, EAX 0000A69B. Okay, next we will go to second case, which is under the subtopic addition and subtraction. Here we use subtraction, increase and decrease. So we subtract EAX, EBX. We increase the EAX and decrease the EBX value. So this one will process in loop until ECX becomes 0. The final value of EAX will become 8. The final value of EBX will become 2. Next, we will proceed to case 3 under the subtopic data related operation and directive. Here, I will use example of length. Okay. So for the length of byte 1, length calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So length of byte 1 is 5. And then length of array 1, 15 plus 10, which is 25. And length of array 2, which is 4 times 2 equal to 8. So the final EX value is 00000008 hash. So let's see the console. So the final value of EAX is 00000008. Okay, next, the next case table is index operand, and also under the subtopic of addressing mode, move AX, array W, ESI. So array W is word is 2 bytes, so 0, 2, 4. So ESI, AX will be 30 hash. In the console, Okay, next case is under the chapter 6, which is Boolean comparison instruction. So here, converted capital D to lower D, and it will produce this string at the console. This is D. After the EAX, final value is 01100100 B. The output is this is D, lower D. Next, we go to the next case, which is chapter 6, subtopic of jump and loop instruction. Here we will use JG, which is jump if greater. So we have declare number 1 and number 2 above. If number 1 larger than number 2, it will jump to L1. L1 is if move ECX equal to 1. And the below one, jump if number 1 is larger than number 3. So let's see the console. Move ECX1. So it means number 1 is larger than number 2 and also larger than number 3. Okay, next one is conditional loop. Under chapter 6, which is here we'll use loop NZ, loop not 0. So here we insert length of integer array in ECX, item in EAX, and -1 in ECI. So ECI will be increased, and then compare integer array 4 times ESI with EAX. So 4 times -1 equal to -4, EAX is -12. So loop not 0, L1. If the item is found, it will show item is found at index in the console. But if JNE, jump is if not equal, the item is not found, and it will write item is not found, and then quit, and then return to main menu. So let's see what happened in the console.